Dear clients, welcome to PhillipCapital's weekly market watch. My name is Derrick, investment analyst from Phillip Securities Research. Today, I would like to talk to you about Cod Life Group. We recently initiated on a stock with a buy recommendation and target price of 84 cents. Cod Life is a provider of cord blood and tissue banking services. The company operates primarily in Singapore and Hong Kong, but offers indirect exposure to the China market through its 10% stake in China Cord Blood Banking Corp. The key reasons for our positive views on the stock are as follows. With increasing awareness of cord blood banking, we expect market penetration in Singapore and Hong Kong to improve materially over the next 3 years. Cod Life is well positioned to benefit from this positive trend as one of the few private cord blood banking service providers in these markets. Furthermore, we believe that Singapore's government will keep policies accommodative to stimulate the current low level of birth rates and have set a TFR target of 1.4 to 1.5 times. This is evident by a recently announced $2 billion package to promote marriage and parenthood. We expect free cash flow to trend north from FY14 onwards, as maintenance capex requirements are likely to stay low. Free cash flow generated by the company is highly visible and is backed by annual cash flow streams of more than $6 million from the 25,000 existing customers on annual payment plans. We expect the strong cash generated to sustain a payout ratio of 60% in the next 3 years. Cod Life announced a strategic alliance with Cord Labs Asia to offer umbilical cord tissue banking services beyond its current market in Hong Kong. The alliance will allow Cod Life to provide the services in India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Hong Kong on an exclusive basis, and in Thailand on a non-exclusive basis. We believe that this alliance would leverage on the company's existing network and open up new growth markets for the group. Cod Life has a right of first refusal for the acquisition of various operating assets in the Philippines, Indonesia and India from Cod Life Limited, CBB, the Australia-listed entity that owned Cod Life Group prior to its demerger in June 2011, should the company decide to divest. Acquisition of these entities will provide Cod Life with geographical diversification into emerging markets that have higher birth rates and lower market penetration. The recent results of CBB suggest that its operations in the emerging markets could start turning profitable soon. As long as Cod Life does not overpay for these emerging assets, we view any potential acquisition as a positive catalyst for the stock. Lastly, we find the valuations for the stock of Cod Life as undemanding on various matrices. Despite the defensive nature of its business, the stock of Cod Life trades at forward PE of only 15 times, and adjusting for the cash, liquid investments and market value of Cod Life's stake in CCBC, the core business of the company offers a market-leading free cash flow yield of around 7% in FY14 and beyond. With the stock trading at our bear case valuation level, we see limited downside at this entry point. That is all that we have for you today. Do stay tuned to next week's video. Thank you.